Are you ready for summer? With a backyard like this, you will be. My name's Alicia Collins with Remax the Group in the Alicia Collins Real Estate Team, and I am at 811 West 59th Street. This house is better than new. We have a dog over here that wants us to come pet him. But anyway, this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, upgrades galore, and a 3-car garage. Let's go inside. This home was built with massive attention to detail. We have rough edge granite, hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, a gas fireplace. The list goes on and on. I wanted to tell you. This home has a fully unfinished basement with a bathroom stub out. You can finish it however you like. Also, this subdivision allows for boats and RVs to be parked in the RV parking. This house does have that. I'd love to show you this home. Please call or text me today. Make it a great home buying and selling day. See you soon.